I don't know why my video doesn't like come on when I start this shit. What's good, DJ? We back at it, baby, like we never left. Back for the PM session. Squeeze me, squeeze me. All I've been doing since I went off here is crushing some candy because I'm in second place and that's not sitting right with me. Only the top two get to go to the next round, and this guy is taking a break right now. So this is my chance to catch up. Um, but anyway, let me do this first because this takes precedence over my candy question. I'm in the running to win 1 million bucks, so I don't know which actually take precedence here. But anyway, DJ, we back at it. We back at it. PM session, let's go. It's Thursday, April 10th. The time is currently 1:21 p.m. Now it just turned 1:22. All right. Arrived on my desk at 1 120. Yeah, 120. All right. As always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is my 2 bullets. Mental check-in, feeling pretty good. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better. I think I learned a lot from the morning session. Okay, continuously, I'm still learning. So it's improving my analyst. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Anyway, risk disclaimer: I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Today, to the news. We do have 2 o'clock news coming out today, medium impact news. So I'm gonna wait for that news. Then I'm gonna see where price goes, and then I'll anticipate a setup there. Okay, so let's see. Let me go back to the basics. Let me go back to the basics. All right. So we have news today, so it's an optimal day to take a trade. All right. So weekly program is a sell program. Okay. Nothing really's happened while we were gone to change that for me. Okay, I'm gonna stick with that weekly program. Dollars tanking still. Okay, we took that sell side. All right. Coming into this order block open here. All right. If not, depending on how it behaves in here, we might take this low here and what's this low right here inside of and completely fill in the monthly busy there. But we do have relative equal lows here. Okay, so and a weekly, the remainder of our weekly busy here. So that's the current draw. These sell sides into here, a dollar. Tanker, tanker, tanker. All right, so retracement into the range. Okay, it's looking like we're getting a drop decline. All right, it could be continuing the trend that's going on, or it could be in here. All right, making it turn around. This displacement leg, pulling in this inefficiency to go on. But I'm still sticking with my higher time frame bias of being in the sell program. But let's go ahead and note key highs and lows from the morning and lunch session. AM session sell side is here. It's completed on a 15-minute time frame. Don't want to see it because it's completed already. This turns into regular blue. Yeah, it's the same there. And we're just waiting on AM session to be done. Well, AM session is done on the hourly. It's down here. It's currently in line with lunch session low. But that trade though, post news. This was my draw there. Completely blew past that. Q Q Q. Julio, Julio, Dulio. Buy side, swing high, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap here. micro time frame trade there. Love that. Nice. Just noticed that. Slapped me in the face there. Hmm. Something's telling me, came to two. Anyway, yeah, I have to get back on job. What you telling them, my guy? That's me. He thought he could rest on me. He thought that little lead that he got would be enough and that he could rest on me. He don't know who I am. I'm a professional motherfucking loser. Do this shit for a living. And I don't even have a supercharger no more. Like, really? There's 7K difference between me and the guy behind me. And another 7K, maybe 6K of the person ahead of me. So need to be putting in that work. Can't be slacking out here. Can't be caught slipping. Not looking too good right now. Let me get that. Let me watch that. PM session kicking off. Let's go. Do have this buy up here prior to PM session, so let's keep an eye on that. Let's see. Maybe that will keep price to go higher. Yep, we did make it to consequent encouragement of the 4-hour busy there. Bodies tell the story. Wicks do the damages. Also has come inside the 1-hour CB as well, so that's interesting, isn't it? 4-hour takes precedence, obviously. Excuse me, because it's a higher time frame. Once this candle closes, we'll confirm lunch on the 15-minute. We got 27 minutes on the 1-hour time frame though to confirm lunch, buy side and sell side. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have time. I don't have time for this Candy Crusher. Come on. He can come back any moment and continue his lead. So I don't have time. Time is a luxury I cannot afford right now. Oh. Really? Let's go. 0 moves to spare. I don't have time for this. Candy Crush, give me the thing and let's go. Move on, man. Come on. Bloody hell. Just let me play my game. Usually, I don't want to be on my phone at this time, but this is a special occasion. This is competition here. And I don't lose. The only place I lose and I accept it is in the markets, and that's it, and that's all. Here, I'm a professional loser. Outside of here, that losing thing is for the birds. Get out of here with that crap. Oh shit, just one red. Just one more red. Just give it to me. One more red. Let's go. uh, oh, he's back playing. Fucking wag. Well, that's his name, Wag. Wag is back playing. Fucking hell. Mhm. It's all right because I got the momentum. Wag took a nap. I got the momentum now. How do I get that? I can't even get a freaking thing to go right here. Let's go. Now there's 6K between us. Also just got done talking. Top level right here. Oh, play with me. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I don't have time. He's gonna have to sleep at one point today. He's gonna have to sleep. I don't. I don't have to sleep. Yes, I do. Oh, mate. But I will catch up. If not, I will stay in that second spot. I am qualifying for the next round. I'm not getting knocked out. I will keep crushing this candy. And you probably need to charge this phone too. This candy gonna get crushed, boy. Telling you. That's not what. Just let me do my thing, man. Come on. You know when it just does its own thing? I don't like that. Give me the opportunity to do it myself. Because maybe that's not what I wanted to do. Crush, did you ever think about that? And then it won't give me no options to do the watch the. It loves to do that. When you know I have, it's all a setup. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Not no 16. I will restart. I have no qualms now. Restarting the shit. Nothing for me to lose. Not like I have a supercharge. I don't have supercharge. Oh, you know what? I could have used that and finished that level right there. Golly, completely, completely messed that one up. Fuck, it's all good. Bloody hell, man. Yeah, lost life. So what? Give me another one. Oh, he probably had 0 lives left. Spare. Fish it out. Thank you. Oh, two. Thank you. 2 lives. 2 lives. Brrr. Fuck anybody who came with you. inside of a 1 hour CB there. Oh, lunch is confirmed. By side. What? They be cheating me, man. You're trying to tell me that I can't watch an ad to get my moves? That's a cheat. Yeah, that's not worth 16 gold bars for that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. That was complete misjudgment on my behalf. But because we've taken it now, I'll go on to wait. But anyway, we've got to buy on the 15-minute time frame. Taking lunch on the 15-minute time frame. I'm in this by right here. What? Order filled. Order filled. 210 within range. No freaking way. It's okay. Lunch. And 1 hour is right here. Taking that, but I want this busy here to keep price higher. So don't 50% is not always a guarantee. Breaking even when price gets here. He's going, boy. 33K and I'm at 24. It's all right. It's all right. Focus on just crossing them levels. Good news. I don't know what price does here. This is my last line in the sand. Main threshold of this order block here. Ah, damn, that's not what I wanted. Closure here. I'll be moving stop. reducing the risk on this trade, which is what's looking like it's gonna have to happen. Order filled. Cool with that. Taking less losses though, so I'll take it. I'm taking losses, but it's less. Anyway, let's see how this fair value gap fares once we close below it. Open range sell side and buy side is confirmed. The post news went up, back down. See how it behave in here. Wanted to take this first though. Oh, could be coming into this M15. You see that? So it seems like just waiting is just better option, isn't it? These are not taking full stops. So I love that. I love that for me. That's one step closer to where I need to be. Trader now knows, or the analyst now knows, hey, this is not going in our favor. Let's cut it. Let's do something. Let's experiment here. Where is it then? Oop, touching stuff. a hard level. Guys probably whooping my ass right now. And how long it's taking me to pass this level. Another full stop out avoided. Let's go. Losing and smiling is crazy. Who am I? Professional loser. Stepping into my role here. Why up there is where you wanted to go? Like, really? Really and truly? Should have just did it. No idea what I was waiting on. This is a madness. Stop the madness, Candy Crush. Stop the madness. That's what this is. Madness. Why would you go there that doesn't do anything for me? Oh, for 10? Okay, cool. That's more moves than I originally start with. Bloody hell, about time. Thank you. Okay, now. Well, it took me about 10 gold coins and about 25 something moves. Oh, he's got like 10k above me now. Fuck, and I've got like 10k above the guy below me. Still don't like that. 10k. He's gonna have to rest again soon. There, right? It's gonna be on 30 seconds. One minute is my entry time frame. I'm not there yet. And that's not an account I want to be playing on. It's a perfect, setup though. We'll follow it though. Wouldn't have come and tagged me in anyway. 30 seconds entry should have been here. It's going, going, going. 15 seconds gave us a setup to you. Cool. Exactly what you want to see from there. From 15 by. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. And that's how you do that. Hmm. So inside of them, we look at 1 minute. Bro, Julio. Coolio. Open range buy side getting raided. Leaves me a busy. I'll be interested on the low here because we have open range gap above price. If it leaves a busy. Wow. Into the time. There's no time here no more. Top step. There's no time anymore. Normally it has the time, the countdown, no? Yeah, like this has the countdown. Doesn't want to tag me, doesn't want to tag me. Oh, this level got me in a chokehold. I'm gonna do a 15 moves, man. Okay. Really don't want me on this move, which is cool. But open range, consequent encouragement is my draw. Yeah, above this. We could get a sell here. Da 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 da. You have opening range, gap range above price. It is what it is. It's a pro trend trade for me, so counts. Hey, why didn't it fill me? Order filled. I put it way above that 50%. That's probably why. Anyway, gonna be a bust. 143. I accept that loss. Don't like it, but I accept it. Feels me. It does fail. Let me get above this. Gain a better understanding. Now it's about entries, isn't it? The buy there. It's a tiny, tiny buy. So reducing my trade probability. Stop here. It needs to go here. It needs to go here. And take this low out. That's what I want to see. With some oomph. This candle and the next 3 candles, all right? I need to see some oomph to come take this short-term low here. If not, probabilities is reducing by the second. If not, if this fails, I'm waiting for after we get above this. Mean threshold is right here. It's in line with the consequent encouragement of the SIBI. Closure here. Will reduce probability of this trade. Candy Crush can't give you my attention now. I'm in the weeds of it. Yeah. It's come to 75% and it hasn't gone. This trade is done. 143. I can eat that. I don't want to eat it, but if it's on my plate, I can eat it. We got closure above there, so we'll be reducing 120. All right. Now I can do what I want. It's gonna take me out. Like I'm seeing it, but I'm still on the wrong side, you know? But nah, it's all good. He is all good. Order filled. Thank you. This candle and it should have went. So yep. Happy day. Happy days. Happy days. Now let's see how we behave when we get here. Anyway, the 15 minutes ain't bullish, so why would I sell? Right. Come on. Come on now. Make it make sense. Shamona. That was a mini buy right here, like I was saying. This was a mini buy. Anyway, above this, I'll be interested. Uh, doesn't have to get there though if he doesn't want to. But we may be a little early there, innit? That happens. Candle close 7 seconds. Every time I want to grab the fib, I grab the long short two position without fail. Order filled. Ooh, 250 macro. I should have just waited. Mother suck. I need to be aware of the time. Be aware of the time and the entry. Be aware of the time and the entry. Need to take this with some and leave a CB. There'll be another sell. I'll be interested in that. I want to see you take this low. Yeah, all right. Low when you tip it toe low. Believes the CB there, I'll be interested. Just the one. Order filled. Why not? Anyway, let me get on here and watch it on here. We'll move into break even here. On both, because that one thing is right here too. It's because the 15 minutes saying bye, you know, and we're in a busy. Order filled. Cheers. It was an actual it was gonna be like if I was on side, there's no way after taking this let me show. If I was on side, then after taking this low and this CB respecting price, there's no way price should have came back this high again. No way. This is a 250 macro trade buy here. So But to flip the script, we'll be going in line
Order
with
filled.
with the 15-minute time frame here. So get back into this order block. And it's respecting it. So anyway, breaking even on both trades. Do like this buy here for open range. All right, let me just chill. I feel like I'm like jumping from trade to trade. Just take a breather. Let it do its thing. Nah, I do like this buy here. For real though. I'll demo it. It's all right. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with the demo trade. Wait. This is where I'll be getting in now. Gives me another opportunity there. I'll get in. Did like it, but I just felt like I was going back and forth, you know. He is following the 15-minute. So yeah, that's where my directions of trade should have been in the buy direction because of the 15-minute, where it's telling me that yeah, it wants to come higher, potentially up here. So if I get busy here, I will be interested. Low when you tip it out low. Oh, it's not even closed yet. I don't know why Top Step doesn't all of a sudden doesn't have the timer on there now. Oh, don't tell me you don't want to feel me now. That's crazy. Again, you see that? It's like an unconscious thing. to 3. Two. Don't want to tag me, that's fine. Why you don't want to tag me though? But why though? But why? I need to be aware of the time. 250 macro was right on the precipice, so just wait. You know, if it wasn't clear, if you were not sure. Order filled. Oh snap. Ooh, 4. Like that. Riscatol. What risk? No risk, no reward. Alice, no risk, no reward. Even though I said I want to wait to see it come up here. Order filled. Hey, how? How? Your account is now closed due to violating our number 1 rule, maximum loss limit. Restore your. What? Top step, what? How does that even make sense? DJ, what are we seeing here? I know I didn't hit my max thing though. How does that make sense? My balance is minus whatever. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's clear this thing up here because I'm about to be done with you guys. All right, all right, all right, all right. Not this one. There's no way. Yeah, so how? Make it make sense then. Make it make sense, please, somebody. Hold on. We'll come back to this in a second. Let's watch the price. Yeah, I would have been taken out anyway, so maybe they did me a favor there. But something needs to something needs to give here. Ooh, hold up. Ugh, again. Yeah, but once we take that and we do that, I don't want to see you come back up here though. Yeah. Bear me a minute. Okay, now let's go investigate what top stuff got going on. Because ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. My max loss is down here. So what are they talking about? A rule was broken on you can reset your account if you're ready to reevaluate. No, that's not it. This is not what we're talking about. We're talking about this one and how they said I violated something. Violation, lockout countdown, the time left until your lockout expires. No, you may have additional lockout sets. It just locked me out or like it's done. Like what's the deal? Because I know I ain't violated shit. Do not let your account hit or go below 0. How is it 0 though? That makes no sense, bruv. No, I don't need to go there. It doesn't need, that's not gonna tell me shit. Get away from me. Like, and my count is minus 111. What? I thought I had breathing space, you know? They don't give you no breathing room. Top step. That's a madness. That's a madness and bad. Okay, well, we'll see what tomorrow brings. But if I've lost it, I lost it. It is what it is. If I lost it, that would be it for me on the funded accounts side of things. I'm just gonna save up and just trade my own shit at that point because ain't no way. Ain't no way. But anyway, this afternoon, I'm gonna admit it has been difficult. It has been pretty difficult, and I cannot wait to look back at it and see. Mm, 3, 4. No, 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 no. Pow, 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 pow. Come in here. Let's see. So this plus Candy Crush, yo. Plus I'm second, and the guys probably got ahead of me, way ahead of me by now, because I'm stuck on this level. You've got to be shitting me, mate. You've got to be shitting me. This is what happens every time I level up. Level up, level up. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble on it. Yeah, this PM session is gonna need to be back tested for sure. This is the cell. Yeah, this is the cell right here. 315 macro kicking off. I did say I'm targeting about that. If I don't pass this level, I'm shutting all this shit down. Shutting all this shit down. I'm supposed to do anything with you up there. I need you to bring the shit down here. Yeah. Just double whammy. Double whammy today. Double whammy. Double the whammy. Double it, triple it, quadruple it. I don't care. Take a look at this thing. It's gonna piss me off. He's like 3 times ahead of me now. He stopped playing 39 minutes ago. Okay, come on. Come on. We can do it. We just need to pass this one level that's killing us. Killing us softly. And 15 time frame says buy, right? So buys is what it's about. That would be a madness, man. If that's how you want to play it, we can do that. I will come back 10 times stronger. Top step. Not my fault. The market risk is high right now. Why you gonna have to punish me for it? Wobble on a day. Wobble up. Still not gonna pass this freaking level. I'm not gonna do anything with 45 moves. I need more. I need some boosters. Oh, come on, Candy Crush. Come on. M15 told me buy. So let's see if it's buy. Yes. Yes, one win today. We'll take it. Ah, ah. Fucking hell, this level had me in a choke. And now I'm way behind. And he stopped playing like 44 minutes ago. I'm still way behind. Rain starting within 15 minutes. Looks bright outside. Wobble on it. Wobble, wobble up. Yeah, this afternoon session is not nice. Look at it. Look at it. Brother. 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 If the if the what are you showing me right now? But this was the trade though. A 15-second chart. Well, the 30-second chart over here. Bing bang bosh, you still would be in that trade. Despite what's happening right now, you still would be in there if you hadn't already taken profits. But this market right now is not pretty. It's nothing I would want to be engaging in. But I did engage in it. I did. Look by side above the key high displays, market structure shift. Even here. No, even actually. Actually, oh, yeah, it should have went. There's no way it should have came all the way back up here. We probably haven't even collected an update on that part yet. Can't be professional users on both things I'm doing right now. It's not how this shit works. I don't lose. I don't like it. I don't like it. I tolerate losing here because I understand it's part of the game, but it's not part of this game. I don't lose. It's not in me to be a loser. Well, I'm not supposed to do it. That was your limited deal. I'd rather just watch the ad and get the same 5 moves without the thing. Come on, man. Make it make sense sometimes, Candy Crushers. You guys don't make it make sense. And if it don't make sense, it don't make dollars. And if it don't make dollars, then I ain't got no business in it. Because I'm a dollar bill gal, dollar bill, y'all. This is Foglet price action. It is Thursday. Low battery. That's because I've been banging out this game all day. I see the trade though. And then 250 macro at this one. This was it though. Yeah, this is ugly. Hey, hey, who put this low battery shit on me? This is where the buy would have been for this 15-minute buy saw right here. With this in mind, with the open range buy side, open range gap, I mean, in mind. Wobble on the wobble up, wobble up. Which one is in line with consequent encouragement? So let's see. This is what business downside here. But what an interesting PM session. Was not the move I wanted to do. Like double my, not double, but like not, yeah, 10K more than around. And I have to watch my back, you know. Wow. Oh, you're not there for my benefit. Because why would you go there of all places, right? You were really here for me. Like you say you are. Why would you go there of all places? It's coming there, giving you a busy. So this should keep price higher. To take these buy sides here that is going on. Wobble up, wobble up. Yes. Could also be that today I've been very much distracted from Price. I have not been here. It hasn't been me and Price. Really and truly. It's been me and Candy Crush and then Price. I can admit that. Super hard level. Oh, really? I would want to see you go from here. No, it did that. Close below this, so yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, the other way there. Yo, all right, 10. 10 gold bars. I can afford that one. What's left though? What's left? I go blue, I go blue. Hmm, so cool. This one there. If I had just left it, right? Oh my God. Because it really hadn't hit when I moved to break even, it hadn't hit where I was supposed to hit. So that was and that was because I had gotten again here. Should have just left it alone because I hadn't hit it here. Here I'd been moving to break even. Still would be in there. Give the opportunity to come to 75 and then. So I was in the trade, but I let it go. I let it go. Let it go prematurely. I got scared out of it because I got back in here. That's probably why. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Because I was in that. I was in there. I was in there like swimwear and it was looking good. But because I saw this, all right, and I got back in, scared me away from this original trade. But this was a perfectly fine trade. And stop would be moving break even here. And if it doesn't come to 50, then it's not my trade, right? From 50, PR's my entry points. Three 15 macro comes back into the open range buy side displacement, Beverly gap here. That was the trade. Okay. Just have to take a step back sometimes. But I know where I went wrong today. I'm gonna do a trade performance review today and be done here. All right. I'm not gonna be taking any more trades, so well, I might not log off straight away, but I'm gonna do a trade performance and just watch price and let it do its thing. But I know where the trade was this afternoon. I was in there. Okay, I was in that trade and I just let it go. Not that I let it go, but yeah, yeah. I got scared out of that trade, really and truly. That's what happened there. Entry should have been here. But let's talk about it though. Let's talk about it. Let me do my performance and we can talk about it. Stop right here. Didn't hit it and I moved to break even. And that was because I got in a second trade right here. Just one time, just one time. Then get the confidence and then you can go in multiple times. But anyway, this will be switching. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, anyway, let's do a trade performance review. What I did well today is that I showed up, okay, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. All right. Oh, sorry. Oh, we just took open range sell side in the PM session there. Got 1% better in these markets, okay. Where I fell short today, PM session. Usually there's not really much where I fell short, but today I can think of a few things where I fell short today. Today, yeah, this one's for the books today. Today, this one's for the books. Okay, so where I fell short today, right, would be initially, what was my first trade? What was this trade? Oh no, I took a trade here before. Where I fell short today would be one, I think I overdid it with the trading, all right, with the setups, even though it was like limited loss and I was still in range of about my max risk of for the day, and obviously still had the opportunity to get back in because I hadn't taken my full losses. Okay, but either way, it was two bullets and done. I used more than two bullets on both accounts. I used more than two bullets on both accounts. So that's one over trading. Um, Two, I would say, because I had over traded and taken more losses than I should have, right? Or the two losses that should have been done, even though they were limited losses, that's besides the point. Because of that, too, I was in this trade, right? I got scared out of this trade, all right? Let me move it back to where I was at. I said I would be moving to break even at negative zero point 0.5. Negative zero point 0.5 wasn't hit, but because I had got back inside the trade again on the other account, all right, and I didn't want to take another loss. It is what it is. I prematurely moved my stop loss for the second trade. Okay, fair enough. That was fine. It was the Express account. If I wanted to move that, I was fine with that. But the initial trade in here, all right, there was no reason for me to have moved the stop to break even because -5 wasn't even hit, right? It came close to it, but it didn't hit it. If I just left it alone, all right, minus zero point 0.5 would have been getting hit here, and I'll still be in that trade, probably heading to take profit one. All right, so I got scared out of the trade. All right, I over traded. Um, got in a trade twice here when I should just been paying attention to price action. Just watch the price and see. Oh, that's another thing too. Just watch the price and see if it's doing what I need to do. And it wasn't. I was like, okay, yeah, but still, as long as this high doesn't go, this trade is still valid, right? This trade, I shouldn't have gotten it. Just that was wrong of me. I shouldn't have done it. Got in again. Okay, so that's fair. I can accept that. But this one I got scared out of, which is fine. It's not fine, but just being honest, I got scared out of that because I moved my stop prematurely, all right, even though it would have been fine if I had just left it alone. So understood, got that there. What was the thing I was? Oh, the market isn't pre-open. Fourth thing that I fell short in today. From the opening range south side here, you see that? Beautiful, beautiful. Fourth thing that I fell short on today, because is a list today, boy. The list is on today. We'll be moving to break even right there. Fourth thing I felt sure is I was heavily distracted today. Okay, I'm in my final knockout runs on my Candy Crush All Stars. Okay, for a chance to win $1 million. All right. If I do, I don't. I do. If I don't, I don't. But like, I was heavily distracted today. All right. Like I said, I don't want to be on my phone while I'm trading. But obviously, because of whatever, I wasn't really 100% here today, and it shows, right? It's very evident, all right, that I wasn't 100% in front of the charts today. Even though I was in front of the charts, I wasn't in front of the charts. But once this knockout thing is done, though, like there'll be no more of that. All right, I understand. I understand that. But yeah, so that's four things. That's four things I fell short on today. That's all right. Obviously, I'm gonna have days like this, which is fine. I can, as long as I learn from it and don't repeat these same mistakes. Okay, I'm good. But like, it is what it is. It is what it is. How I can improve for the next day, next trading session is just be 100% here when you're in front of the charts, right? 100% focus, put the phone away, only to reply to messages, and that's pretty much it. Don't be on it playing games like I have been today. Um, so also stick to the model, the procedures and protocols. I haven't taken any. Oh, no, it wasn't a trade. Yeah, it was a key high displacement by microstructure shear fair value gap. I haven't taken any trades outside of the model, so I'm happy. I'm happy and pleased about that. -1 getting smashed there. Okay, to give out second bullet right here would have been fine. But would you be anchoring it to this one? Or would you be leaving it here? I would leave it in the initial. I'll be waiting for this to be a hit to move to break even and then here to take something off. Yeah, so just leave it at the initial and here move to 0, a -1. Okay, so yeah, here, taking something off, break even, taking something off here, moving to 0. Cool. But yeah, so keep sticking to the model, the procedures and protocols, all right? Just because you're taking losses, serious losses, that's the only thing promised to traders, all right? The model hasn't diminished, all right? Its efficacy is still there. It's not weak. It's not like going away. It's not working anymore. It's still valid, all right? Just keep eyes on the prize, eyes on the target. Just keep sticking to your procedures and protocols, and you're fine. Also, once you're done with those 2 bullets, that's it. Come on. Even if you haven't hit your risk threshold, them 2 bullets, that's it. Don't be over trading. Don't be taking too many setups, all right? Because that's what you don't know the outcome of the trade, right? It's not up to you. So just because you've taken losses doesn't mean the next trade is going to be a win. And the same goes the other way around too. Just because you're taking wins doesn't mean the next trade is also going to be a win as well there. Okay, so control yourself. That's the only thing that you can do in this game, baby girl. Okay, have that self-control. I know you want to make money. I know you all that. I know you want to improve, you want to grow, but just have that self-control. Okay, the market's not going anywhere currently anyway. So it's gonna be there. The model is gonna be there tomorrow, the next day, the next week, the next month, the next year. All right, so just get that control under control. Get that control under control. Okay, but yeah, that'll be it for me today. We're gonna stay and see what price does. All right, it's heading up here, but as far as trading wise, I'm done, but I'll stay here till like 4:10 maybe and see, just to end my day. But other than no more trading for me really, here I'll be at 0. So I've taken something off and there's no risk left in this trade. But I'm not gonna lie, this afternoon has been quite difficult, but it really hasn't been that difficult. 2 p.m., right? Post news, but no setup there. No setup there. Doesn't really come back in here. Take open range buy side. Display lower. This was a fair loss here. Comes and takes you out. Let's see, +2 did anything. 5, 6, 6, 4, so it'll be 6, 6. Oh, 7, 5. Yeah, still would have took me out there regardless. But anyway, gave you another opportunity right here to get back in. All right, got scared out of that one, which is on me. Fair, which is because of prior trading. All right, even though like I enjoyed the fact that I limited my losses today and I understood that once something happened, I was looking for certain signatures in price to let me know, okay, I'm on side or I'm offside. Once I see those signatures, I'm like, okay, either I'm reducing risk or I'm nixing the trade. And the losses that I took this afternoon prior to the last one was minimized because I understood price action, right? And I was like, okay, yeah, I'm seeing this, so it's telling me that probability of my trade just decreased. Either reduce the risk or eliminate this trade. And I reduced risk, which allowed me to not take full losses, right? Which I'm happy about. And I take that. I enjoyed that part of today. Okay. There's still a lesson I'm taking to the next day. So that's good. I can accept that. I like that. I like that growth. What I don't like is that I got scared out of that trade, right? Yeah. I let the fear of losing overcome me today for real. Yeah, I did. I did. That's all honesty. I let the fear of losing overcome me today. And I don't know what Top Step got going on, bro. That's a madness, bro. It says minus 1,000 though. Yeah, maximum loss limit. So what are they talking about? I don't understand. I just don't understand. I just don't get it. It just makes no sense to me right now. Yeah, maximum loss limit is negative 955. I'm not there. Definitely not there. That trade's still going up. I would have come and taken more. No. Bitch, I'm not bad. Bad. Anyway, I'm not there. We all okay. Let's see. Your account is now closed due to violating rule number 1, maximum loss limit. How though? Reset your fund value join by beginning a new trade and combine your P&L was no naturally different from trigger value. You guys are seeing it. You're seeing it, right? It says minus 110, and it says but here it says 0. But that don't make no sense though. If I'm here, why would okay? It's all good. I'm not gonna hurt my brains about it. That's how you want to move Top Step. You go ahead and you do the damn thing. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna come back even stronger. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Lines up. My -6 lines up perfectly, not perfectly, but obviously in close proximity to consequent encouragement there. So let's see, maybe that's where it wants to head to. Maybe overnight will take it there. But yeah, this afternoon, it hasn't been that difficult. I just made it difficult on myself by not being 100% here today. By putting Candy Crush over you today. That's what happened. And I'm still not in first place. And that is the upsetting thing here. That is the upsetting thing here. So, potential sell here. That is the most upsetting thing here. That I put you first before my trading day, and I'm still not in first position. Like the sacrifice was for nothing. That's why I'm so annoyed right now. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. Pips for targets, regular setups for entry, pips for target. Cool. Mhm. That was the retracement into the range in 15-minute time frame. This is the first buying opportunity here. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And it took a low. So all of this was just a 15-minute retracing into a discount to then continue on to run higher. So I was in line. I was like saying it wants to buy. I was maybe a tad too early in trying to buy, or even not realizing that this was a retracement phase back into the order block. So here's when I should have been anticipating a buy really, and it was perfect. Buying a discount of the range. Boom. This was the trade. Ah, okay, 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 okay. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. There's always something to learn. There's always something to learn. There's always something to learn and grow and be better. All right. So following the 150 minute and the 1 hour. Okay. Okay. When you see that, just like here. So cool, 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 cool. 1% better. 1% better. But that don't make no sense though, top step. I'm not gonna hurt my brain about it, but that ain't sitting right with me still. You said I have till negative 955, and all of a sudden you change it to zero. What? I wasn't even like down that bad. But I thought it was that you had to lose 2K. But I didn't. I haven't lost 2K. But you got it. Your rules. Where's the five? Okay, so I'm just gonna come back stronger. I see you, I see you. I'm trying to see the best move here. Probably was taking everything. We'll pop that. Pop this bad boy. Get that blue. Worked like a charm. All right, DJ, I gotta go put this phone on the charge. I have a call soon as well. Market is closed. Thank you. And the market is closed, and I'm done here. And I'm gonna back test again today. All right, later and see. Obviously, I already just it just clicked for me just now there. Okay, the M15 gave me the buy setup. Cool. I have to obviously wait for the retracement, which this price action was. It was a retracement leg. Comes into 50% into a discount of the range there. In here is where I should have been anticipating a buy, and it was a perfect buy set up right here using the opening range sell side. Key low, swing low, displacement, fair value gap here. Just picture freaking perfect there. Better late than never. At least I was able to see it and I learned lessons today. So hey, I'm all better for it today. Okay, I understand what I'm looking for. I'm getting a better understanding of what I'm looking for and how I want to be interacting in these markets. So yeah, yeah, it was a mixed day for me. All right. Learned a lot, but obviously I also broke some rules too, lost control of myself. All right. So let the not the gambler, let the gambler out for a little bit, okay, but putting her back in her cage, okay. No more. You won't catch me no more, okay. Lesson learned. That's it, and that's all. That's what trading is. It's a journey, man. It's a journey. It's a journey of ups and downs, and more down. In the beginning, there's gonna be more downs than ups, but I know the ups are coming, and when they come, it's gonna be plentiful. So either way, I'm happy and pleased with my performance today. I'm happy I showed up and I got 1% better in these charts. Okay. Even though I did break a rule or did lose control of myself, I'm still making the right steps to the right place. Okay. So I'm still happy and pleased with my performance today. Just keep going. Okay. You're gonna have these days and they're fine. Just don't make them a consistent thing. Okay, so once in a blue moon. I haven't had a day like this in a while, so it was bound to happen, and it did. So anyway, it came with lessons and experience. So it's all good. I'm all good. It's only up from here, really and truly for me. So yeah, catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow we do have news. Let's see what the economic calendar is saying. We have 8:30 and 10 o'clock. All right, so we'll be here tomorrow, kicking off at 9:15, last day of the week. So oh my, they were arguing. Anyway, yep, tomorrow we'll be here. 9:15 kickoff. All right. 9:15 kickoff, like it's a soccer game. Let's go. But anyway, that's it for me today, DJ. Appreciate you being here with me. Appreciate you taking in, listening to me and letting me vent to you and creating an open space of no judgment for me to be myself and for me to learn and grow and get better. Okay, DJ. I'll catch you tomorrow. As always, happy hunting.